Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about something really simple to have in the house. It's a reusable cake container by SUREFRESH, and it's made of plastic. So it says it's for cakes, but I am actually using it for my cookies and brownies that I made. So you could use it for that too. Anything really portable, keeps them nice and airtight in here. It's freezer safe, it's BPA free. I'm not sure what that snowflake's for. I guess it's just maybe a symbol for the freezer. Carry to parties and gatherings, and it protects food. So I'm bringing this tomorrow actually to a party, and that's why I made everything. So I figured this will be easy. It has the handle, easy to take in and out of my car, but perfect size for a cake as well. So this is imported by Greenbrier International Incorporated in the USA, 500 Volvo Parkway, Chesapeake, Virginia 23320, in Canada, made in China, and there's the little barcode on the side. So it's easy to, like I said, take with you. This you can push down. It doesn't snap in, but it's easy to pull out. And then it has these little snaps, and that's how you close it. Just turn it around so you guys can see. A little clear on the side, kind of, gives you a nice display for whatever you made. So the way you close this is very simple. These pull right out, and then you could push them in. Sorry, it's hard because I'm doing this with one hand, but this just snaps right back on top of this. So it actually took two hands to just give it that extra little snap. And this is still warm because the brownies are still kind of warm on it, but that's fine. So it's just the two steps. So it's one on each side, just making sure they're snapped in good. Okay, so I guess this is a little heavy, so you could see it when I'm pulling this up. Actually, it's like a little bit open, so you just got to be careful of that. I think I might just actually, looks like it's not sealed so great, but I think it's probably heavier than it should be because I've got the brownies and the cookies on here. I'll show you guys the bottom. So yeah, just be wary of that. You might want to put something a little bit on the lighter side on here, because that can happen where you guys can see here it's like opening up a little bit. I mean, that really shouldn't happen, but I'm guessing just because what I have in here is probably heavier than it should be. So maybe just secure it with a little tape or something like that, or just hold it from the bottom. That's what I'll do. I'll just hold it from the bottom tomorrow just to make sure nothing falls out, of course. But SUREFRESH makes all kinds of different reusable containers and stuff like that. I don't know if it's dishwasher safe, it doesn't say, so I probably wouldn't wash it in the dishwasher. I would probably, just hand wash it since it doesn't say. And the plastic's not really the most durable, but it's definitely great for the price, and it'll last you a long time. So that's another reason I probably wouldn't put it in the dishwasher. And I don't think it's microwave safe either, so I would just make sure that I hand wash everything. But it's perfect, like the label says, for carrying to parties and gatherings. And I know if you maybe bake a lot of cakes and then freeze them, then it stays good in the freezer. Freezer safe, that's definitely important. And like I said, I think it's a really nice display too for a cake. I like that it's totally clear. The top's totally clear, like you can see what I made, brownies and cookies, and it's keeping them airtight right now on the table, so that'll keep everything nice and fresh. So this is SUREFRESH reusable cake container and lid. I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys try it out for yourself. And I thank you so much for watching. Thanks, everyone.